Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get to the point right away. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot mic problem. How you can troubleshoot mic problem or microphone problem. So if you check this PC, this motherboard, little motherboard, you see that this is a mic. This is a mic point. This is a 3-pin. This is a 3-pin mic. You have one which is the ground. This is the ground, and this the positive side and the audio signal side. So if I show you um, the mic from here, see that this is the mic. It's a 3-pin mic. Now, what if a customer comes and says that his mic is not working? That when he makes call, he can get what the other person is saying, but the person cannot get him. So what you are going to do is, first of all, you know that what you are going to do is to change the mic. You are going to change it. You are going to change the mic. If you don't have another board to replace, you are going to change the mic. What if you change the mic and yet it still does not work? You change the mic, it does not work. You change another one, it does not work. So what can you do about it? So I just solved this problem yesterday. I solved it yesterday. After I changed the mic, it did not work. I changed another one, it still did not work. So what I did is, what you are going to do is you are going to remove the mic. You are going to check this point. Check this point. You are going to check this point. This will be the part 1 of this video. I don't want to go into much detail. So we are going to start on one side, this point. You are going to take a multimeter and then you are going to check that point. Let's do it right away. So you put your multimeter on buzzer mode and then you are going to check it. This point has to beep because it's the ground. It has to beep. You see? It has to beep. If it does not beep, then it means that the point is broken. If I take the other motherboard, the point must beep. You see? Here it's not beeping. You see that it's not beeping. It means that this point is broken. It's broken. So even if you put 100 mics, it will not work because that point is broken, which is the ground. If I take this other one, you still see it's not beeping. You see it's not beeping. That is the ground. So it has to beep. Let me take another one. See this other one. You see this one is beeping. You see? It means that it's okay, it's working. So now what can you do if you have this kind of problem? So what you can do is, you can just take the mic. It depends on the board. Like for example, if I show you this board, let me show you this board. I'm sure this is the board. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see the other one. Okay. I'm sure. Okay, this is a board. If I show you carefully this board, if you check this board carefully, you see something. Can you see the line? Can you see this line that is leaving from? This is the track that is leaving from this point. You see the track carefully. This is the track. So what you are going to do is you are going to scratch this point from here. You are going to scratch this side. You scratch it very well, and then you are going to use a cable, a wire, a small wire like this. I don't know whether you can see this wire very carefully. Use this wire. You are going to place one end of the wire from the place, that place where you scratch. You should scratch this end. You are going to connect the wire from here, and then connect the other part from this point, the ground. That's from this charging port from here. So you connect it from here, and then you connect it from this ground. So you ground it. So when you ground it, it would connect to this point. So you would bring this point to the ground. So from there, you cannot put the mic. When you connect the mic, it will start working. If you connect it well, it will start working. So that's what I did yesterday So I could not document the video because it was so long. So I could not document it. So when you do that, it would start working. But what if you don't see the trace, you don't see the line, you don't see that line that is going. Like this one, you see that you can hardly see the line. If you check it carefully, you can hardly see the line. What if you don't see that line? So how can you do about it? If I show you this one, you also see the same thing. You can hardly see the line. See this, you don't see the line. So what can you do about it? What you can do is that you are going to take the mic. You take the mic, though it will be a little bit difficult for you. Also, even for me, sometimes it's difficult. You take the mic, you are going to take the cable. You take a cable, you connect one point from here, one cable here, and then you connect another cable on this other side, and then you connect another cable from this other side. So you are going to use three cable like this small little wire, small wire like this one. I hope you can see it carefully. So you're going to take three of them. You're going to connect one here. I don't know whether you can see it carefully. You connect one here, connect the other one here, and then the other one here. Then you are going to take it, and then you are going to make sure that it's the same. When you put the mic, you make sure that it's the same. So you are going to take this one end, and then you are going to connect it from here. And from here, this is the side. You take this one, you connect the cable from here, or the wire, connect it from here to here, and then you take the other one, you connect it from here to here. And then this one, which is not working from here, you're going to connect it instead to this point. I don't know whether you understand. I don't know whether you can get it. So you connect this point instead, this one, this ground, instead you're going to connect it to this point, to the ground, this charging port. While the two other ones will be connected from here using that wire, three wire. So that is what I used to do sometimes, and it works very well. Sometimes connecting it will be a little bit difficult because the mic is so small, but you just have to try. So that is how you can troubleshoot mic problem. If you have that kind of problem, after changing the mic, it's not working, then you have to remove the mic and test those points. If any one of them is broken, then the mic will not work. So I will keep this video short. So the part 2 of the video, we are going to see that next week. So this will be the part 1 of this video, and then the part 2 will come next week. Please, if this video helped you to learn something, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more interesting videos to come. Thanks, and see you in the next video.